Kevin G with a weather overview, and we have a serious nor'easter coming up the coast. It's not snow. It has the snow is going to be well to our north and west over Binghamton, Syracuse, but nevertheless, this is a serious storm. It's going to cause a lot of problems at the wrong part of the day when people are trying to get home from work. I think that it's becoming very clear at this point in time that coming home from work is going to be something that for many people is going to be disrupted tomorrow due to this weather. Right now, we have a storm that is producing life threatening tornadoes over the southeast, parts of Georgia, Florida, Alabama, and it's been responsible for some deaths over the weekend, unfortunately. We're not going to see anything in the way of tornadoes or thunderstorms with the nor'easter, but we are going to see some very significant impacts as we take a look at the water vapor imagery. That was in telecast.com. Now we're looking at the Penn State EWOL site, and you can see it's a pretty massive storm, and there's big high pressure in the way that is going to block this storm from making a quick exit. So I think we're going to have lingering effects into Tuesday, but the worst of the event is going to come tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. The National Weather Service has many hazards right now in effect, watches and warnings, and this is especially concerning with winds, they say, up to 70 miles an hour tomorrow along the coast. That is near hurricane force winds with this particular cyclone. So we are looking at a situation where power outages could become a problem. Obviously, we don't have leaves on the tree and we don't have any snow in a lot of places to really make that situation worse. But the potential is there with those strong, damaging winds. And again, everything basically I think it really goes downhill, in the afternoon and towards rush hour. Basically, progressively worse and worse, basically from midday on. Maybe not much in the morning going on. Maybe what we have now, which is a lot of drizzle and a lot of fog going on. But then you'll see the winds pick up. Now, this is courtesy of AccuWeather.com. This is a flood watch. This flood watch is in effect basically to cover that time frame, that Monday afternoon, Monday evening time frame where the rain is going to be coming down at potentially a half inch an hour. We could end up with a storm total rainfall of near 4 inches in some places. And basically all of that rain is going to come Monday afternoon, Monday night. The most likely place for that to happen is along the coast with the 4-inch amounts. We switch from there and we go to the Canadian model, and this is tomorrow. And we're looking first starting at around middle of the day, and not much, actually, I'm sorry, we're starting from now. And as we go through time, we end up at early tomorrow morning. So, rain will gradually pick up in intensity as we go through the day. And then you can see the core of this very heavy rain and very strong winds come in between 4 and I think around 8 or 9 o'clock before it gradually dies down. But you can see the slowness of the storm because here we are Tuesday morning and we're still in some wraparound rain chances with the winds diminishing. So all in all, a very serious storm. Don't take this one lightly just because it's not snowing. It's going to cause a variety of hazards across the tri-state area. Be prepared and try to get home early from work if you can. And tomorrow might be a good day to do that in light of the fact that half the winter's gone and we haven't had to use a lot of time for snow. So there you go. If you have an opportunity to leave early, I would say try and do that for tomorrow. Very serious nor'easter on the way for Monday. Lingering effects into Tuesday. Gradually improving conditions after that.